The unnecessary medication is one of the factors for the creation of further diseases. We think we are taking medication. It's not medication. Maybe medication for a particular disease. That medication may create another cause for the another diseases. Suppression. This is also a factor, unnecessary medication.
So only about the money.
Yeah, see, this is also another factor. See how many reasons we are finding out for the formation of disease. Too much running after money is also a cause, important cause for creation of disease. Not only individual, the whole world is running behind money. It depends on how we approach with God. It depends on you. There are thousands of god and goddesses in India. Many people are getting confused out of that, as you say. Many people are benefited out of that also. Depends what type of person approaching, how the understanding with the god and goddesses of multiple varieties, that makes all the differences. One need to know what is the purpose, how and why these kind of god and goddesses have been created. See, all these creation of god and goddesses by men only, by human beings only. God never created itself as God. There is no need to create. It's already existing. It's our idea. We create. Certain purposes are there. According to me, there's so many varieties of God and goddesses, they are all tools. For example, you see, here is a God, the super God, supreme God. That's what Hindus believe in. Shiva Linga is the supreme. There is nothing more than that. Rose has written like this. We meditate on the three-eyed reality which permeates and nourishes all like a fragrance. May we be liberated from death for the sake of immortality, even as the cucumber is severed from bondage to the creeper. See the purpose of this God? Triambakam. You see? Where is the confusion here? We are clear about this God, Shiva Linga. The purpose of it. The purpose is for liberation. Very simple to understand. From the bondages, from the clinging. Likewise, many gods and goddesses are created for certain purposes. Of course, the money god is also created for certain purposes. Now the people mind is too greedy on money. They forget many other temple. They go to only money temple. In the same South India, there are some temples dedicated for liberation. I went those temples. There was no people at all.
But maybe you can tell us the temples. Where these people are interested.
Actually, that is one of the aspect of this India tour, 21 days India tour, the move on still that we are making every year. We visit those places, vibrant places, and stay there for a while and meditate for liberation.
Not for money.
Of course, see, we are not against money, no, but we are clear that money is not everything. isn't it?
Yes. Certainly not health.
Definitely not health. How money can provide. Money can help certain way, that's all. We can use the money, but now it seems like the money is using us. This is something upside down. No? One of the reasons for creation, the people who think that money is everything, they create diseases.